subscribe my channel for G and NEET.
Hello students, this is second video of our electromagnetic waves, that is propagation of the electromagnetic waves. In previous we have discussed the electromagnetic waves and its sources. So dear students, before going to know the propagation of the electromagnetic waves, you have to subscribe our channel and like, share, comment to your friends. So now coming to our session. Electromagnetic waves are propagates. So what is meant by propagation? So propagation. So electromagnetic waves are motion. So motion, it is not the correct word to use the electromagnetic waves. Propagation is the correct word, because of due to the propagation they can be spread out. They can be spread out. Motion means they maintain same direction. They maintain same direction. If a particle can be in the motion, then it can have the direction, same direction. The propagation meaning that, so they can be spread out wherever in any direction. So that is the propagation. So here the electromagnetic waves are also propagate, right? In previous we seen that electromagnetic waves are produced by the accelerating charges or oscillating charges. So here, if there is a charge, plus charge, and there is a minus charge, negative charge, plus to negative, there is an electric field. Here there is a positive charge, there is a negative charge. This is the electric field. Here there is a positive charge and there is a negative charge. There is an electric field. Similarly, here there is positive, there is negative, then the electric field. Here the same, positive and negative, there is an electric field. And coming to this, here positive, here negative, there is an electric field. But here this is the positive and this is the negative, there is an electric field in this. This is the another side of the wave propagate, right? This is the plus 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 and plus plus plus. So in this way, and here there is plus and there is minus. Here there is the electric field. Here there is plus and there is negative charge. Here there is the electric field. The direction of the field should be, you have to observe, positive to negative. Here there is the positive charge, there is an negative charge. This is the, and here in the same way, right? So these are all plus, these are all positive, these are all positive, negative, 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 right? So here we have to see that, so this is the, if all the positive charged particles are shown, so this is the positive charge we have to shown. This positive, 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 positive. All those positive charges are here. Whenever it can be vibrates or oscillates at one time, then so this is the electric field. It can be oscillates in second time. This is the second electric field. It can be oscillates in third time. This is the electric field. So here in this, so this is the oscillation or vibration of the positive charge. In this way the electric field was produces, right? Are you understand? So here this is the mean position, and due to the electric field the magnetic field was produced. So here we have to write that the electric field in this direction. So as it is, so this is the shortest field and largest here in this way, right? And short minimum. So this is the process. And here also this is the shortest, here this is the bigger one, largest one, right? And here and here and here. So this is the electric field, and due to that, if there is an electric field, so this is the electric field, the current carrying conductor produces electric field around of it. This is a charge electric field, so this can be produces magnetic field around of it, So here the direction of the field should be right angle triangle, 90 degrees. Hence we can say the angle between E and B is 90 degrees. It means they can be perpendicular to each other. So then the magnetic field should be in this direction. So this is the magnetic field produces by the electric field. This is the magnetic field produces by the electric field. This is the magnetic field. So here in this way the electromagnetic waves are produced. Okay, so this is the electromagnetic wave. So this is the time. So this is the propagation of the electromagnetic waves, right? So here, so this is the electric field and this is the magnetic field. The angle between E and B is 90 degrees. E and B is 90 degrees. They can be always perpendicular to each other. So that is the electromagnetic wave. So coming to the light waves. So these electromagnetic waves should not need any medium. They can be passes through the vacuum. Okay, so these electromagnetic waves are self-charged waves. It means self-moving waves. Means the electromagnetic waves are self-propagated waves. They can be propagate themselves, they can be propagates. So this electric field can be produces this magnetic field, and this electric field can be produces this magnetic field, and this electric field produces this magnetic field. In this way they can be transferred their energies entire the wave at which they are started. So this is the process to propagate the electromagnetic waves. Hence we can say electromagnetic waves are self-propagated waves. This is the most important point you have to remember. So while we have to understand, the light waves are also belongs to the electromagnetic waves. Light waves are EM waves, right? So light waves are coming from the sun without any medium, without any requirement of the medium. The light rays from the sun will be incident on the earth, right? So this is the one of the live example. The electromagnetic waves need not any medium. They can be traveled in vacuum also. So if the electromagnetic waves are moves through the medium, what will be happening? That is our question. So for example, this is a medium. This is a medium which we are taken. The medium, it is nothing but water, air, or steel, wood, like this. If any medium, the light waves or electromagnetic will be passes through the medium, what will be happening? So this is the light wave which was entered into the medium with some frequency nu. So here in the medium there are some particles. It has contains some particles. When the light energy will be traveled into the medium, the first particle get excited and it can be given to the energy second particle and another goes on. All the particles are get energy, that is light energy with the frequency. So here the particles are vibrates and energy can be transferred, and finally the wave should be come this side. So this is the emergent wave. Emergent. This is the incident. So here the speed of the light should be here v. Here also the speed of the light should be here decreases because some energy will be losses in the medium. So in general without medium, so this is the light wave will be passes. So here the velocity should be same what the velocity having at initial, that much of velocity is common. But here there is a medium. Here in this position the wave should be slow motion. Understand? So hence in the medium the speed of electromagnetic waves or light should be decreases. Okay, so this is the main point you have to understand clearly. Whenever the light waves or the electromagnetic waves are moves under the any medium, then the speed of the wave should be decreases. So what is the characteristic to decide light waves or belongs to electromagnetic waves? Then you can say that characteristic it is speed of light. Speed of light. The speed of light in vacuum should be C, it is equal 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Right? So in same, the speed of the electromagnetic wave in vacuum is also 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. For this reason, the Maxwell can decided the light waves are belongs to electromagnetic waves. Okay, so this is the property to determine the, to consider or to confirm the light waves are belongs to electromagnetic waves. The velocity of the electromagnetic waves will be defined by the formula, that is C, it is equal to 1 by under root of mu naught epsilon naught. Permeability and permittivity. Permeability and the permittivity. Here mu naught it is equal 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter. And epsilon naught is the 8.85 into 10 to the power, what is that? 10 power minus 12. 10 power minus 12.